Remember, in this intense summer heat, it is important to stay hydrated. Like Ethereal here, and a doe. So remember, drink plenty of water. Don't wait till you actually feel thirsty. It's too late. You're already dehydrated by then. Oh, there's the kittens. And yes, they do have access to water other than the watering hole. And they do prefer the watering hole. Now, is Noah interested in hydration? No, maybe. No. Well, apparently Ethereal was very thirsty. Remember, once again, drink plenty of water, especially in the summertime. Have a great day.